How to update the TikTok app on an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to update the TikTok app on an Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have installed and downloaded TikTok application on an Android phone. Now to update, you can open Play Store. If you are on Android and iOS, you can open App Store. So launch Play Store. Tap on the search icon at bottom right. Tap search bar at top of your screen and type in TikTok. Now you need to search for the official TikTok app, and if there is an update button, tap update and update to the latest version. Updating TikTok is very useful and important because that lets you enjoy the latest features of TikTok and then free from different kinds of bugs on the device. So that is how to update TikTok to the latest version. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.